During this video, I am going to show you how you can create a meeting link. With a meeting link, you can create meetings with attendees that are not part of any particular team. The first thing that you need to do is create a team which has no members. For this purpose, I created a team with the name Meetings Team. In fact, if I click on Manage Team here, notice that my team has 0 members and guests. The next thing I need to do is schedule the meetings. So I'm going to click on the calendar and click on New Meeting. Type the name of the meeting, select the date and time of the meeting, and where you have a channel, select the team you just created for the meetings. Remember, this team has no members in it. Select the general channel of this team. Finally, click Send. And that is the first part of the process. The next step involves finding the meeting in the calendar, clicking on the meeting, and notice that in this section here you have this link called Join Microsoft Teams Meeting. What you need to do is right-click on this link and copy link. Now you can use this link to send it to your attendees. Even if these attendees are not on Microsoft Teams, they will still be able to join your meeting by clicking on this link. You can, for example, send this link via email. You can also post this link as a post in a team, or using any other means of communication. It is important that in your communication you specify the date and the time of the meeting, so that your attendees will be able to click on the link and join the meeting when this is scheduled.